We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8850 printer. We've been having some problems whenever we're making copies or scans. We've been getting some blemishes and lines on the pages. So we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass today. It's a really simple process. One handy tip to know is this particular model has two different ways that you can actually scan and copy. You have the top document feeder, so you can actually put a stack of paper in here and run it through the scanner. And when you do that, you're actually scanning off this small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So if you're noticing you're getting most of your blemishes when you're using the document feeder, this is where you're going to want to focus most of your cleaning. If you're noticing them when you're doing the face down flatbed scanning, then obviously you're going to want to make sure you focus most of your cleaning on the flatbed scan. In order to clean the scanner, you're going to want your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use something like rubbing alcohol as well, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And you're also going to want a lint-free cloth. And the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass. If you do that, you run a high risk of the glass cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and then you're on a high risk of causing bigger problems than you started with. So please always apply the glass cleaner directly to your cloth. And then once you have your glass cleaner in the cloth, we're just going to go ahead and clean the glass. And you want to make sure that if there's any dust, if there's any fingerprints on there, ink buildup, whiteout is really common. I've seen a lot of tape on the scanners. And then you want to make sure you get all of that off. So wipe it down, give it a visual inspection, make sure you're happy with the way it looks. And then we'll go ahead and wipe off the flatbed scanner as well. Since we're here, might as well clean both of them, that way we don't have to worry about any other problems. Again, always give it a good visual inspection. Look for anything that you see on the glass, even if it's just like a kind of a dull glare on the glass. Make sure that there's nothing there. Any little smudge can reflect in your copies or your scans. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I'd recommend closing the scanner, and I would actually, just to make sure I'm happy with the results, I would do a couple test scans both through the document feeder and off the flatbed scanner, and make sure that all those smudges or lines went away. Once you're happy with the results, you're good to go. If you're still getting light smudges or light little defects, just go ahead and repeat this process. There's still probably something on that glass that's just kind of hard to see. Just go ahead and do it one more time. But other than that, you should be good to go back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.